Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, coaches. For most of you, this will be your third lesson you'll be teaching to your own team. We're going over the volleyball 6-2 offense for Mr. Williams' team PE class. 6-2 offense is a highly effective offense. You have a lot of opportunities for hitters to hit. And that's what you're looking for. What you need to have is two setters, and you have to have two setters that are hitters. So ideally you want your setters to be pretty tall. And you also want your team to trust that both setters can make the play. Some key points: you got to remember that the front row setter becomes a hitter in the offense, and the back row setter is the primary setter. So in service receive, the back row setter needs to be covered or protected by a front row player and a back row player. So they can get by to get to the net. Some of the major colleges that use the 6-2, Yale's girls team and Oregon girls volleyball team both use the 6-2 offense. So those are the two that are prominent. Why aren't there more teams that use it? Well, defensive specialists have come into play. The libero is one of the reasons. The libero is usually that defensive specialist, but they are also very good setters. So a lot of times, as a back row player, that does allow if the setter's in the front row, that libero can set, and that setter becomes a hitter. Another problem is that setters have different abilities. So one setter may be weaker or better, or just the timing is just a little different. So a lot of times, coaches will lean towards their better setter and run that 5-1 offense. So we've already learned. And also for a lot of colleges, it's difficult to recruit two good setters to run that offense. So good luck tomorrow, coaches. When you're introducing the 6-2 offense, make sure you refer back to the handout you got. It's got the 4 YouTube videos links. It also has the hyperlink back to this PowerPoint, which is probably how you found it. If you have any questions, obviously you can email me. I'll try to get back to you tonight or tomorrow. First thing. Also, you don't forget, you can always come by first thing in the morning and talk with me if you have any more questions. Tomorrow we'll see you in class, and good luck with your coaching.